JAMB 2010 question 22. The third term of an arithmetic progression is -9. T3, third term, is actually -9. And the seventh term is actually -29. Seventh term is -29. Then find the 10th term. That's T10. We don't know what that is. But we know that general formula for arithmetic progression is actually Tn, T sub n equals to A plus n minus 1 D. Okay, so the T3 would then be A plus n is 3, that's 3 minus 1 D, and that's equals to -9. And so you have A plus 2D equals to -9. So we have this. Okay, good. Then we have T7 will then be A plus 7 minus 1 D, and that's actually equals to -29. -29. And we have a general formula that says A plus 7 minus 1 is 6D, and that's equal to -29. So we basically have two equations now. So I have to solve these equations simultaneously. So I can subtract these two equations from each other. So I have A cancels A, that's A minus A. And 2D minus 6D is actually -4D. And that's equal to -9 minus -29 is actually plus 29 minus 9, and that's 20. And so I'm going to divide both sides by -4. And so if I do that, what I get is D, which is the common difference, is actually equals to -5. And put that into this equation, what I get is A plus 2D, was my D is -5, equals to -9. And I have A plus -10 equals to -9. So I have A minus 10 equals to -9, and so I have A equals to 10 minus 9, and so I have A equals to 1. So my A is 1 and my D is -5. And so we're asked to find the 10th term. So Tn has to be, remember that Tn is actually equal to A plus n minus 1D. And so I have T10, actually what's my A? My A is 1 plus, what's my n is 10 minus 1, what's my D is -5. And so I have 1 plus 9 into bracket -5. And so I have 1 that's -45, and 1 minus 45 is actually -44. And so that's our final answer, and that's